Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Please excuse the Boris Johnson style hair. Desperately needs cutting, but you know. Right, today we're having a problem with said kitchen tap. Now, this tap is only about 3 years old or something like that, and we had it fitted and it was about, I don't know, a fortune. As you know, anything to do with caravans these days is a fortune, so I thought, let's have a look, see if I can repair it myself, but no, it's knackered. I don't know whether I can fit a new one, so I'm going to investigate that. Otherwise, I'm going to have to pay somebody to do it, which I don't like doing. Anyway, I've took it to bits a little bit. I'll show you. So when I turn it on, you'll see what's happening. There, can you see? That's a bit of a disaster, isn't it? So I thought, right, I'll take this off. This will just unscrew, surely. No, it'll be just a washer. But it doesn't just unscrew at all. It's a push-in fit, as you can see, which I'm not sure is supposed to be repairable. So I thought, let's have a look. And it all looks all right. Washer and everything looks all right. But under closer examination, I don't know whether we can see underneath here, looking up, we have a crack. And that is where the water's coming from. I've been on the internet and I'm not really that happy with the price of new taps, and it does look a really pain in the bum to actually do the job as well. There's just not enough room in there. So I'm thinking I'm just going to squirt a bit of silicone in there and let it dry and see what happens. Let's have a go. Yeah, it's a bit of a cowboy job. Well, actually, it's a lot of a cowboy job, but if it works, it'll save me a few quid for now. And it's a time thing, really, because I need the caravan back to go on our little holiday away. So if it works, fair enough. If it doesn't, well, we'll see. And I'll just have to change the taps anyway. Right, give that a couple of hours, then I'll come back and try it. Well, it's about 3 hours later, so let's have a look. Let's see if it's worked. So that's all dry underneath there. I know it looks rubbish, but I can take that off and use some clear silicone later when I know that it works, if it works. So let's have a go. We have water. And it's dry as a bone. So that saved us about 50 or 60 quid for a new tap. Bonus! So don't forget, give us a thumbs up, turn that off, and subscribe as well. Cheers, thanks.